Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the 7th lecture of our Parts of Speech series in which we are going to discuss about conjunctions. So we'll see various important rules and types of conjunctions, then we'll do some practice questions जिससे हमारी learning और solidify हो पाए. Alright friends, so this is going to be a very important session for all the upcoming exams and I request you that please watch the video till the end and also attempt the assignment question which is at the end of this session. Alright friends, and if you have any query, you can contact me on these social media platforms and also please visit novation.in. यहाँ पर आप कई सारे video resources download कर सकते हैं. You can give various online quizzes also, and if you like the content of Novation, you can always support us. Alright friends, so with that, I'll jump straight into this session. So friends, before we jump into the conjunctions, what they are, we need to first understand what are phrases and clauses. So first let's start with phrases. So phrase is a group of words that stands together as a single grammatical unit. So basically you can call it as a smallest single grammatical unit in a sentence or in a clause. Alright, and one important thing related to phrase, they do not contain a subject and verb and consequently cannot convey a complete thought. Since इनमें सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नहीं होता है तो ये पूरी तरह से एक थॉट कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हैं. चलिए कुछ सेंटेंसेस देखते हैं जिनमें फ्रेजेस हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट, द डॉग रन्स एट अ गुड स्पीड. सो हियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस पार्ट, the underlined part, this is a phrase which does not have a subject and it also does not have a verb. Alright, next, she is on the way. So on the way is again a phrase here. Last, the cat is of friendly nature. This is also of friendly nature is also a phrase. Alright, so we'll move forward. Coming to clauses. Now clause consists of a subject and a verb. इनमें subject भी होता है, verb भी होता है, and is the smallest grammatical unit which expresses a thought. Phrase में ज़रूरी नहीं है कि thought हमें complete मिले, but clauses can complete a thought. A clause only contain one subject and one verb. Okay, so that also is important. So example, here in this sentence, I eat bananas in the kitchen. So I eat is basically a clause because we have a subject I and we have a verb eat. Next, she remembers my address. So here she remembers is a clause. After the movie ended, we ate ice cream. So here after the movie ended is a clause. I hope friends आपको ये subject verb भी पता होंगे. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो please previous part of speech के session देखेंगे आप, तो आपको clear हो जाएगा. So friends, now is the time to know what are conjunctions. Conjunctions क्या होते हैं? So basically these are words which join different clauses, phrases or different words together for the construction of a sentence. So जो शब्द clauses को या phrases को या words को join करें उन्हें हम conjunction कहते हैं. So they make a link between or among the words or group of words or other parts of sentence and show a relationship between and among them. Alright, so basically link कर सकते हैं आप clauses को, phrases को, words को और उनके बीच में relation बता सकते हैं. Let's see some example of conjunction. Amit and Abhishek are playing together. So here Amit and Abhishek have been linked with the word and is my conjunction here. Rahul searched the key everywhere but couldn't find it. So but is basically joining these two ideas that he couldn't find it, and what was he searching for? He was searching for the key. When I was sick, she came to see me. So basically this is a independent clause and this is a dependent one. So when is basically linking these two clauses. So इसके बारे में हम और आगे देखते हैं. चलिए, before that, so we'll set our agenda. हम सीखेंगे coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions. इन तीनों को हम डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर हम कई सारे प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. चलिए देखते हैं. First we'll see coordinating conjunctions. So a job of the coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases or independent clauses which generally are parallel in structure. So जो भी clauses parallel होते हैं structure में, उसको हम उनके लिए हम coordinating conjunctions का use करते हैं. अब structure parallel होने का मतलब क्या है दोस्तों? Basically जो आपकी clauses हैं, they should be in the same grammatical structure or in same tenses. So like I'll give an example and that will be better, you'll be able to better understand it. So let's say I say the film was enjoyable both to watch and to discuss. Okay, so this is a perfect correct sentence But if I say the same sentence in this manner, that the film was enjoyable both to watch and for discussing. So here I am breaking the structure of the sentence. In the first clause, I am using to watch, and in second, I am saying that for discussing. So this is actually breaking the parallel structure. Alright, so first sentence is my parallel structure. Let's see the examples. We went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. So here this is V2, and here also we have V2. So and is basically a coordinating conjunction between these parallel structures. Next, do you want an ice cream or chocolate? So or is also a coordinating conjunction here. Go away and never come back. So come and go away. These are forming a parallel structure. So and is also my coordinating conjunction. Other coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, and you can remember them by this acronym fanboys. All right. Coming to the correlative type of conjunctions. So these one thing very important related to them is that they come in pairs. ये अकेले नहीं आते हैं, ये अपने जोड़ीदार के साथ आते हैं. Okay, so we have to use both of them in different places in a sentence to make sense out of them. All right, so let's see some example like both, and, either, or, neither, nor, but, not, or, only, but, also. So these are some of the correlative conjunctions. Let's see the sentence example. I want neither the cheesecake nor the chocolate cake. So here neither and nor both are your correlative conjunctions. Okay, this is very, very important. He ate not only the ice cream but also the chocolate. And last, she would rather play the drums than sing. So these two words together form a conjunction. I hope, friends, this is clear. We can move ahead. Last, we'll discuss subordinating conjunctions. So friends, these are basically words which are used to link a dependent and to a independent clause. अब dependent clauses और independent clauses क्या होते हैं वो भी हम example के through समझते हैं. So first, the student failed the test because he didn't study. So here because is your subordinating conjunction. You can easily understand that. Now this first sentence is your independent clause. Okay, because its existence is not dependent on anything else. The student failed the test. It makes perfect sense because he didn't study. Since this is showing the reason, it is dependent on the first clause. So this is my dependent clause. It depends on the like the student, he failed the test. Why? Because he didn't study. So this is the dependent clause. Let's see the next example. I paid Rohit, whose interior design work is top notch. So here whose is showing you that subordinating clause. And why was Rohit paid? Because his interior design work is top notch. So there is a dependency here also. Then provided they come, we can start class on Monday. Last, before we left home, I had my breakfast. So friends, now is the time for some practice question. All right, so let's jump straight into it. So friends, as always, we'll first underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. So let's start. Anupama made a cake before the party ended. So friends, here before is linking these two clauses, Anupama made a cake and the birthday party. So here before is my conjunction. Next, we will go as long as our parents can come to. So here our parents can come to and we will go, these are two different clauses, and as long as is my conjunction. He is very athletic but still can't play soccer very well. So here but is my conjunction joining these two parts of the sentence. Your friends can come over. Okay, so this makes sense. First clause, over, come over, whenever they want to. Okay, so whenever is my conjunction here, and come over is basically a verb. They can come to our home. Next, I will come even if I am late. So I am late is a clause and I will come is a clause. So even if these two words are joining them together, so even if is my conjunction. So next, either Sushma or I will help you study for the exam. So this is a no-brainer. Either and or, these are my conjunction. I will attain my goal. I know attaining my goal is almost impossible. Nevertheless, I will try my best to get it. So nevertheless is joining these two parts of the sentence, hence it's my conjunction. We need not make a reservation in order to eat at the restaurant. So here, in order to, this is my conjunction which is joining these two parts. Even if it is raining, I will not take my umbrella. So I will not take my umbrella is a different clause, and even if it is raining is a different clause. So even is joining them, so even is my correct answer. As soon as the alarm goes off, I hit the snooze button. So as soon as is my conjunction here because it is joining the alarm goes off and I hit the snooze button. I hope this is clear, friends. We'll move ahead. Next, catch me if you can. So if is joining these two parts, so if is my conjunction. I waited till the train arrived. Very easy. Till is my conjunction here. Since she says so, you must believe it. So since is the word which is joining these two parts. So since is my conjunction. You can have peach ice cream or a banana shake. So or is joining these two things. So or is my conjunction. Neither, so this is very easy, neither the black dress nor the grey one looks good on me. So neither या either जब भी आप देखेंगे तो बहुत easy हो जाता है. Alright. So now these are a bit different. We need to find the correct answer from these options. I am right dash you are wrong. So let's see the option. I am right and you are wrong. This looks good. I am right, either you are wrong. So this does not make sense because either can not by itself is not a conjunction. I am right for you are wrong, perfectly wrong. I am right, even you are wrong. So this is also not making the right sense. So and is my correct answer here. Next, I visit the Taj Mahal dash I go to Agra. So each I go to Agra is not making sense. Wherever I go to Agra, so wherever is wrong here, friends. Why? Because Agra में आप जहाँ भी जाओगे आप वहाँ पे ताजमहल नहीं visit कर सकते. So wherever is not the correct form. Whenever, so whenever you go to Agra, you visit Taj Mahal. This makes perfect sense. I visit the Taj Mahal and I go to Agra. So this is also not making the right sense because and is not joining these two sentences correctly. So my correct answer will be C, whenever. Next, I plan to take my vacations dash in June dash in July. So let's see. I plan to take my vacation as in June if in July. So this is not actually correct. This is not making any sense. Either in June or in July. Yes, friends, this is making sense. या तो मैं जून में लूँगा या मैं जुलाई में लूँगा. So either first option then or second option. So this is perfect. Next, whether in June or in July. So whether is basically here it sounds like it is asking a question, but here we have a plan. We are not asking a question here. This is wrong. I plan to take my vacation if in June, else in July. So if is actually the problem here. So I'll eliminate it. The correct answer is B, either in June or in July. Next, dash do we enjoy summer vacations dash winter breaks. Let's see the option. Rather do we enjoy summer vacation than winter vacation. So this is not actually, we are not able to correctly compare them from than because of there rather. So this is not correct. Next, whether do we enjoy summer vacation or friends, whether are we asking a question here? No. Next, not only do we enjoy summer vacations but also winter breaks. Very nice, perfect option. ना ही सिर्फ हम समर वेकेशन एंजॉय नहीं करते. नॉट ओनली सेज दैट वी डोंट ओनली एंजॉय समर वेकेशन बट ऑल्सो द विंटर वेकेशन. हम विंटर वेकेशंस को भी एंजॉय करते हैं. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. ईदर डू वी एंजॉय समर वेकेशन नॉर विंटर वेकेशन. सो यहाँ पर और होता फ्रेंड्स तो सही होता, बट स्टिल आइदर के साथ नॉर नहीं लेते हैं. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. करेक्ट आंसर विल बी बी. नेक्स्ट, अनीशा डजंट लाइक टू ड्राइव dash she takes the bus everywhere. Okay, doesn't like to drive. Okay, so this can be a reason, basically a dependent clause. So let's see. Anisha doesn't like to drive yet she takes the bus everywhere. Friends, yet is used when you want to show a complete opposite of the first sentence, but here we want to show a reason. Okay, so yet is not the correct one here. Anisha doesn't like to drive but she takes, so this is again same thing but is showing a contrary thing here. We don't want a contrary, we want a reason. So Anisha doesn't like to drive so she takes the bus everywhere. उसको ड्राइव करना पसंद नहीं है, that is why she takes, or so she takes the bus everywhere. So is correct. For is again wrong, does not make correct sense. So C is my correct answer. Now the sixth one. So friends, this is a bit tricky, but please आप इसको try कीजिए. मैं आपको correct answer comment section में बताऊंगा. Alright friends. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग. आई एम श्योर कि आपको कुछ सीखने मिला होगा एंड यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी यूज़ conjunctions and how we identify them. Alright, so if the video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation for more such important content on grammar, general awareness, business awareness, etc. And I will again request you कि please आप novation.in पर visit कीजिए. वहाँ पर आप वीडियो रिसोर्सेज डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, कई सारे ऑनलाइन क्विजेस दे सकते हैं और अगर आपको Novation का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है तो Novation को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Alright friends, so with that I'll end today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.